Hi, to turn on and off camera grid on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to open settings on the phone first, and from here you need to find camera tab. So now in composition category you will see grid section, and if you can see that switcher is white, then grid is turned off, and this is how it will look. And let's fix this and enable grid. For that, I'm gonna tap on the switcher so it will light up green. And this is the result. So now you can always keep the object in the center of your photo. To disable grid, just go back in camera settings and tap on the switcher near grid again so it will light up white. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.